Fujian Xianda Machinery Company Limited is a leading company for stone cutting machines in China. Established in 2002 and covers 20,000 square meter area, which located in Xinjiang Wuli Industrial Area, nearby the longest and oldest stone bridge in the world, named Wuli Bridge, and next to biggest stone markets in the world, Shuito. Close to the main port in Fujian, Xiamen Port makes the shipment much more convenient. With 33 years experience specializing in developing and producing a series of column processing machines, bridge cutting machines, diamond wire saw machines, profiling linear machine, baluster cutting machines. We occupied 80% market in China for column processing machines and own 52 overseas countries users like Russia, India, Vietnam, Poland, Croatia, Bosnia, Albania, Latvia, France, Armenia, Uzbekistan, America, Canada, Brazil, Pakistan, Saudi Arabia, UAE, South Africa, Egypt, Iran, Tunisia, Zambia. After-sales service is available for overseas markets. Since its foundation in 2002, we keep top technology and superior quality as our standard for all machines, and got CE, ISO 9001 Quality Gold Award, etc. China Recommended Building Manufacture Enterprise, 3A Enterprise Credit Evaluation, etc. for company. And we are always the sponsor for education, as our CEO, Mr. Roy, is enthusiastic about the public welfare establishments. Xianda always create the highest value of your stone as purpose, and offers the best stone cutting solution customers from both domestic and overseas. Your visiting and contacting is always welcomed. We looking forward to serve you.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.